Well, hello guys, Chuck House of Mopar. It's a Saturday. I'm in my full nerd regalia. We're going to a little car show deal. Car show. It's called the St. Louis Mopar Blast. It's down at Gateway Racetrack. I forget what they call it now. They renamed it. Anyway, yeah, so this guy, local guy, had been trying to get something going. This is the second year for it. Last year they had racing, small car show, a little bit of a swap meet. And so yeah, we're going today. It's Saturday, like I said, so it started yesterday. Yeah, ought to be a good time. Me and 2 or 3 other guys are going to show up together and see what we can see. So, taking the CUDA. I need to drive the CUDA more. I still have Louise. Don't fret, she's just in an off location site. So anyway, I'm gonna meet these guys and get some waters, and here we go. Got the ice for the cooler. It's a little steamy, a little wet. Rain. Been getting rain lately. So, evidently we're gonna meet a couple of guys at the track, and I'm gonna meet up with Brett. He's got a '78 Valari Roadrunner black car. His uncle bought it new, 4-speed. Pretty cool. Alright. Here we go. Champion of Bowling Green. He's still sporting it. What's up, lads?
What's up, Chuck?
What's up, Chuck?
Nothing.
It's permed now.
It's permed. You ready?
Yeah.
You want to be on camera?
Sure, why not?
Handsome as you all are. Oh, hey, look at here. I don't have one on this. I need to do that. I don't know.
Oh, that's right. You didn't bring this when you hand those out. I forgot all about that.
Nope.
You brought Louise.
Well, look at this down there. We're going to get poured on for a while. Oh, well. What are you going to do?
Yeah, it's going to be rough for the first one.
Yeah, she's raining. We got a minute to sit here, it looks like. So I parked next to a 71 CUDA. We'll get out and look at it. This thing's got a the guts from a 16 Charger Hellcat underneath. It is sweet, 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 sweet. Got some cool stuff here. Another 70 CUDA. Somebody unloaded one. Anyway, we'll get out and look at it. If it decides to stop raining, we got a bit of a... Ooh, hello. Yeah, we got a bit of... Oh, it's not too bad. Oh, it's kind of bad. Yeah, we got a little bit to go here, and it's moving south. So when that's through, we'll get out and sweat. Maybe they'll start racing by noon. thought it was gonna quit raining. It ain't. I doubt it. You'll be racing today. There ain't no way. This sucks. Anyway, see some car people. Cool cars.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we left early. It's going to be 4 o'clock before they were going to race, so I didn't get any drag racing, unfortunately. So yeah, we're going to go to a little hometown deal here, just hang out and have a hamburger and a beer maybe, and see some of the other boys. So yep, here we go. We're here. What they got going on? They got hamburgers and beer. That much I know. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, they got 3 more of us, 4 more. Where are we going there, sweetheart?
Wherever you want to go.
We're riding in a, what year is this, a 51?
52.
52.
Hopefully we won't get stuck here.
Oh, that wouldn't be good. How do we run the siren?
Just lights and sirens and then
It's
the... Oh, it's not working. Hang on.
It's hilarious. That's not so hilarious.
Broken off, so it takes me a second to find it back. Where did it go? There's supposed to be a second arm right here, but it broke a while back. It needs to be cleaned up.
How about that? Runs great.
All of our Christmas stuff for the Christmas parades and stuff is back here. It's all painted. None of that here.
Was this truck made in St. Louis? The
Yes, the
chassis, the bed or
bed
whatever?
and everything is, yeah.
Wow, you guys you went all out.
Yeah, I had
No
a few,
playing.
I had a few hours in this one. Even up here, we got on the bed, the hose lay up here. This is a sign we do for the parades, but it's all.
Oh, wow,
this
yeah.
side just for protection. Yeah. It's all stained and treated.
That's so cool.
Yeah, this was our main truck for a lot of years.
Next day, gorgeous now. I have to mow the grass after all this rain we've been getting. Yeah, we didn't stay for the racing. It was going to be 4 o'clock maybe before they were going to get going. So we bailed about 2. Wanted to go over to that little deal in that other town, fundraiser they had, golf scramble, the guys, or something. They were golfing. And yeah, just ride around, see some old friends again, see them every once in a while. Yeah, that was the second year. They actually had a swap meet. I bought I think a water neck there, and the swap meet got better. Second year, things are getting better. They did have some Camaros and Oldsmobiles and other stuff there too, but I think they have to do that just to, keep things, second year Mopar event's not a very big deal to a lot of people. Anyway, Kuda did fine. She's getting a little darty. I think the idler arm's bad. Moog. Maybe got 5,000 miles. I don't have 5,000 miles on the front end pieces. I already had to do the lower ball joint once. Now, granted, I got a lot bigger tires than would have been factory, but Moog. Made in America. I don't know. I question that. The quality they've been kicking out. Lifetime guarantee, but yeah, 5 years later, find the receipt, right, for a $35 part. So yeah, I'm going to order an idle arm, and that's not a big deal. But yeah, anyway, you guys, I'm out of here. Take care of this, take care of that. Been fiddling and fiddling. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time.